Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Yahoo Mail account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Sign into Yahoo Mail. Log into your Yahoo Mail account using your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure and trusted device. Step 2. Access account security. Once logged in, click on your profile name or icon in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Info and then navigate to Account Security. Step 3. Enable two-step verification. In the Account Security section, look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification. Toggle the switch to turn it on. You may be prompted to verify your password again. Step 4. Choose your verification method. Select how you want to receive your verification codes. You can choose to receive them via text message or through an authentication app. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your preferred method. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your verification method, Yahoo will send a test code to ensure everything is working correctly. Enter the code when prompted and click Verify. Finally, save your changes to complete the setup. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication for your Yahoo Mail account, enhancing its security.